Hi, I'm Laura, Omniyogagirl, and I thought I'd just do a quick updated tutorial on super soldier pose and how to get into it. So it's one of those poses that when you first see it, the first thought is how on earth do I even get into that pose? So I'll show you and give you some tips as well. It's an Instagram yoga pose that was created by at Cyber Yoga, and he's really amazing, by the way. You should totally go and check him out. It's best to think of Super Soldier as being a standing splits variation. It's a balance and it's a forward fold, and then there's also a bit of a twist in there as well. So kind of it's like a funky standing splits. Anyway, I'll show you how to do Super Soldier pose. So to begin with, you want to set up your forward fold. So you want the feet maybe slightly wider than hip width apart, and then you want to fold forward. So sorry about the unintentional butt shot. The next stage is we want to hook one of our arms underneath our leg. So I'm going to go with my right side, and you want to hook the leg over, try and get it as high up the arm as you can. And then place the hand on the outside of the foot. Reach out and slightly forward with the left hand. You can either have the palm flat or come up on the fingertips. And then you want to shift the weight onto your right leg and pick up your left leg. So start folding forward and begin to straighten your right leg. Bring the hand up, grab hold of your left foot and bring it towards your hip. So straightening the right leg further, increase the fold, press into the fingertips, reach the left knee up, keep the spine long, belly pulled in, and then open up to the side. So think about twisting to the left. Keep reaching that top knee up. And then bend the right leg, release the left leg, and come out of the pose. So I hope that was useful. Obviously, there's quite a lot going on with this pose, so give it time. Make sure to warm up your hamstrings and your hips. That will really help with the flexibility needed to get into super soldier pose. Don't be afraid as well to use the wall to help with the balance, and good luck. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you give it a try, and don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you very much.